Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your Google Calendar for scheduling. So if you want to schedule your task or upcoming events, or if you want to schedule a meeting, any type of project or any type of work or any holiday or curriculum activities, then you can easily simply use this Google Calendar, and it will actually help you a lot to remember all of your events that you have scheduled for upcoming date. So from here, for example, you can see I'm on this Google Calendar here. So it is a calendar preview, and this is actually the calendar dashboard where you can make some changes. So here is something that task about the task. So make sure that you have enabled task, so you can integrate your Google Calendar with your Google Task here. So here is all of my tasks that I have added simply. So you can simply go to the task by simply click on this open task full screen. Now from here in this task section, you can easily add your task here. Like I have just added like important, family, work, curriculum activities, or you can simply click on plus button here and you can add a title about that category, like urgent. So here it says, so urgent, sorry, not for that. You can simply I have just created in this section actually. So if you want to create a new list, then you can simply click on create new list and you can enter that name here, like urgent. So here is urgent tab where you can add some tasks in your urgent tab. So from here you can simply add it like shopping, pay internet bill, anything like if you want to go with a dating with someone special, so like date with special one, just like this. So you can schedule anything like here, and you can actually add that in your calendar by simply click on this calendar icon where you can set the date and time. For example, today, so we are going to set it today time here, and we are going to set the time here that is actually at the evening. So just like this. So simply done. Here you can see I have added that time. Now let's check if it's just showed me that here in 30. Here you can see at not this, actually merge April, that 30, this today's date here. So here you can see the urgent task is added here, and actually this is actually for this one. Let me show you. This is the urgent here. So where it is in today's list, here it is. So you can simply delete it, delete, and here you can see it will be deleted from your calendar. And here is that actually added at the exact place where I want you. So it has just added to your Google Calendar. Now you can set it as some mark, you can mark it complete, or you can simply add task here. So you can set it repeated, or you can change the category of that, and also you can change that from here. And if you're using mobile Google Task mobile application, and that will actually integrate your task into your calendar automatically, and it will actually send your notification when the exact time have come. So you can get notification for 2 times. First one for alert, and second one for actually at the actual time that you have to do that task here. So here you can find the one pending task here. So like that, this is actually according a single date here, or you can set your scheduling for the weekly. Like here is the drop down, you can set your weekly, you can set your schedule for weekly. Like here it is that 7 days here. So you can set it for, like, you can come to calendar, or you, if you don't want to set it like manually from task, you can also add it directly from calendar. But simply click on that. For that, you just make sure that the task is enabled, so you can add some task here. So here is the time. This row actually indicating the time, and this actually a date. The column is for dates here. So for example, and in the upcoming date here, I'm going to add it like the next week. So here is the next week, so where we can add some titles here, like that for office, so I have saved this at that 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. so I have to go to the office. So here you can see I have added it, and here it is want to get better notification. If you want, so then you can simply click on continue to get some notification. So you can simply click on it, or I'm going to dismiss it right now, so you can set that notification. So now from here, like for example in Monday, the upcoming 5th May, we are going for lunch like this, not here, like here, not the middle, at the middle here at 2 to 3 p.m. go out for lunch. So just like this, you can add that, and you can schedule thing. Like I'm going to add a scheduling. So for example, at the next day at the 4 p.m. 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. we have a event that is actually like meeting, and here is the task where you can add some description that make presentation, then you can anything like meet with client, office tour, many more things. So here is the appointment scheduling, where you can set up the schedule from here. This is actually the main section where you can actually set up the schedule. So you can simply click on set up schedule. So here is all of things that you can set the scheduling. So here is appointment duration. So how long should each appointment last? For 1 hour, you can set it for 1.5 hours or 2 hours, or you can make it custom here. Also, you can make it repeat weekly if you want so, or if you don't want. So if it's for that day for one time, so you can click on doesn't repeat, so it won't repeat every week. Then you can set the date from here. It is a time zone according to your location. Then schedule window, here is the schedule window. That's maximum time in advance that an appointment can be booked. So here is you can set that, and minimum time before the appointment start that it can be booked. So just like this, and book appointment and more other thing like calendar. You can integrate calendar. Now simply click on next here. Then next here you can see I have just added, so we can open a booking page here, but that's enough to set up a schedule. So you can simply delete a schedule by simply click on that delete button here. So it's pretty much cool, I think, and that's how you can maintain your all events, and you can schedule it perfectly within your perfect time, so you won't miss any event that is actually important to you or you have to do at the exact time. So Google Calendar help you in that point. So that's all the tips and the tricks on the process that how you can schedule your all the event in your Google Calendar. I prefer you to download it on your Android device or iOS device from Google Play Store or App Store. So that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.